Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. This is Shivangi and I welcome you to my channel Curious Kids. I am a mother of 18-month-old toddler and I keep trying new activities with him every day. So today I am going to share with you a few DIY fine motor skill activities that not only keeps him happily busy but also enhances his hand-eye coordination and concentration. So without any delay, let's get started. If you liked the video, then please do not forget to give a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, then please hit that subscribe button.